just left the, what was it? The perfume factory? Or no, the
Parfumerie Galimard.
Yeah, Parfumerie Galimard, and I lucked out and got some pretty dope perfume for Mom and Megan and Dad and Andrew, and we got to try some perfumes that nobody else has tried before. They're new, so I think that's so exciting. Now we are headed to the factory where we get to make our own perfume, so I'm so excited for that. So we're here. We get to make our own perfumes here. You excited? Yay! Okay guys, so we couldn't record while we were actually making the perfume, but we will show you what we got when we get home.
Oh, yeah.
And look at this view. It's literally amazing. What town are we in?
I forget.
Gordon.
Gordon, yeah.
Something like that, yeah. It's So we just got done tasting olive oil. Never thought that I would try so many different flavors of olive oil. Have fun! Yeah. So olive oil is actually pretty good. Usually I don't really like it that much, but that's probably because I'm buying very cheap olive oil. The stuff here is made here, so it's really, really good. Yeah, I didn't expect to like it as much as I did.